you ever wonder why your eyes still look tired even after a good night's sleep? The simple reason being that we don't really give much attention to our eyes. Hey beauties, it's Rika here. Okay, look, we use various products on our face, on our body, but we always look past the need to care for our eyes. Our eyes play a significant role in our appearance, and you don't want your eyes to look very dead looking, you know? However, lack of sleep, improper lifestyle, unhealthy eating habits can often result your eyes looking tired or pale. But no worries, I made this comprehensive list on the best eye mask that you can have in Singapore to tackle puffiness, fine lines, as well as dark circles. First, let's start with the Natureye Eye Mask. In just 15 minutes, the Natureye Eye Mask can relieve your tired and fatigued eyes. In addition to that, this mask is made out of herbal and plant extracts that are designed to relieve and refresh fatigued eyes. Interestingly, this eye mask can be used for people of all ages, ranges from children, adults, teenagers, and even elderlies. It is honestly the best to use to relieve your eyes. Next, I highly recommend incorporating the XLash Cosmetic Rejuvenating Eye Gels in your skincare routine. Its 11 key ingredients complement one another to target fatigue, puffiness, dark circles, dehydration, and even crow's feet. This gentle rejuvenating eye gel is made with advanced Hydra-Gel technology to speed up the actives that's being released on the under delicate eye area. It also helps with retaining moisture, so you'll wake up feeling refreshed, hydrated, and with a revitalized eye area. You can purchase this eye mask from Inside Mall, which you can click in the description below so that you can do your shopping right now. Another product I recommend trying from Inside Mall would be the Juliette Armand Eye Shine Mask. It is a wash-off mask that is specifically formulated to be applied under the eyes. It's a gentle multi-action eye mask that doesn't feel too heavy, especially since the skin around the area is quite delicate. One of the key ingredients include marine collagen, which restores softness, firmness, and consistency of the under eye area. For those who are not a fan of disposable eye gels, this is the right product for you. This is a great under eye savior to pick up. I have to include a Korean brand for all you K-beauty lovers out here. And here is the Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Eye Cream. Packed with active anti-aging compounds like linseed mushroom, this eye mask by Innisfree can refresh and rejuvenate your skin. With just one use, you can feel your skin feeling as soft as a baby's skin. Not only that, this mask is super effective when it comes to reducing fine lines as well as wrinkles. Besides that, you can consider the Glamglow Eyeboost Reviving Eye Mask. Powered by hyaluronic acid and rice extract and other skin-soothing ingredients like mushroom and algae, this mask can revitalize and reduce the appearance of fine, dry lines. If you need an instant hydration boost, then this is the eye mask for you. It'll give you an immediate, energized, radiant, and luminous look. You should also try the 4 Beloved 1 Crystal Radiant Bio-Cellulose Eye Mask. It is one of the best rated eye masks in Singapore. This is a Bio-Cellulose eye mask that can effectively tackle dark circles and fine lines. It can pump extra nourishment around the eye contour area where wrinkles form the quickest. With fast-acting formula and unique ingredients, this eye mask is all you need for an instant eye lift. Other than that, you can opt for the Etude Collagen Eye Patch. You know when they say good things don't necessarily come in big package? That is certainly the case for this Etude eye mask. One of the best-selling eye masks in Singapore, this eye mask can reduce puffiness in just a couple of minutes. Start off your day with this eye mask and you will look refreshed all day long. I also heard so many great reviews on the Lancome Advanced Genifique eye mask. Containing the amount of bifidus extract found in half of the bottle of Advanced Genifique Yolk's Light Pearl, this eye mask can smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apart from that, it can also depuff eye bags and give you brighter, fresher, and younger looking eyes. It genuinely is worth every penny. Moving on to another product which I believe deserves to be in this list would be the Erno Laszlo Multitask Eye Serum Mask. Using an innovative gel delivery system, this eye serum mask by Erno Laszlo can remove dead skin cells and detoxify deep down for a poreless appearance that radiates. Formulated with charcoal, this mask can draw out impurities while refining skin texture. The kiwi extract in the mask can boost collagen production and repair damaged skin cells as well. Finally, I think the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber De-Tox Hydra-Gel eye patches is worth the recognition. Upon application, the cooling sensation will instantly refresh your senses while decongesting the eye contour area. Packed with active compounds like aloe vera, chamomile, and caffeine, this eye mask can significantly diminish the appearance of dark circles. These cooling eye patches from Peter Thomas Roth can provide you instant relief from dark circles as well as puffiness. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should I make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Inside Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!